Hi guys, it's Let's Taylor I'm Mitchell, by the way. So today we're opening Super Zings, and we got this car as well.
Yeah.
So
and we've got this car and
let's
these two
get
people.
on with the video. So we've got 2 packs each, and by the way, we've already got 2 Super Zings.
And a car.
Fuck. There we go. 2 Super Zings and a car.
Ooh!
With the,
Ooh,
it comes
Taylor!
with this one.
I've got a baseball bat.
No, that's not a baseball bat. I got a
No.
carrot.
You got a carrot.
You got a tennis racket.
And the car is for both of us. Oh, I got popcorn.
I got
that's
ice
not
cream.
That's mine.
Oh, that
That's
didn't work
mine.
out. You. Like the
My head.
You throw a packet. So let's go to the car. Why are you eating?
I'm gonna eat.
Yeah. That did not work out. Oh, we got a paper mache guy thing. I don't know what it is, but
There it is. Everyone has a cape. Everyone has a cape, Taylor.
so that there. So we've
Yeah.
got these. My hand, Dumbo. These 2, and this one goes in the car like that. We have got a carrot guy, a tennis racket evil thing, a drink. This one doesn't stand up. A spray can with
No, that's battery. That's a
a
battery.
battery and an ice cream. So that is. Oh, and this I forgot. And
Yeah.
these 2 cars.
I thought we had 3. Yeah.
Boom. This is legit vlogs. Not like the YouTube legit vlogs because he's rubbish.
Yeah. I'm not YouTuber.
I'll
I'm
show
just his brother.
you the what Super Zings. There. That is our collection of Super Zings. And there's Mitchell. So, bye guys! We're gonna be back with another video soon. Bye!